Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Did you ever try super simple and quick potato fry? Today I'll show you how to make super tasty and quick aloo fry with very few ingredients. I'm pretty sure kids will love this simple potato fry for their lunchbox. So let's get started. Friends, this aloo fry goes pretty well with curd rice or rasam and sambar and can also be made for busy morning lunchbox. So do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.